This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Smith Mountain Lake real estate property video is presented by Dana Montgomery. Spacious waterfront home located in Windtree. 2-2 car garages west/half bath for the car enthusiast, 912 square feet. Studio heated/cooled would be great for hobby room, art studio or workshop. Great location and convenient to all shopping, restaurants, medical facilities, movie theater and Bridgewater Plaza. Gentle sloped lot and easy walk to the dock. Sandy beach. This home features a great open floor plan, Brazilian hardwood floors, large gourmet kitchen west/sold surface center tops, plenty of cabinets and large breakfast island, sunroom west/gorgeous views of the lake, plenty of dining space for the family. Large master suite. Main level, 2 bedrooms on lower level west/Jack and Jill bath, large family room, west/wet bar, and game room. Storage shed underside porch.New lower level HVAC 2022, new carpet, decks. For more information.